Sana naman po ay baguhin na natin ang ating estratehiya. Sa akin lang naman po. Dahil ako'y miyembro ng 20th Congress, bakit hindi po natin baguhin or reassess ang ating strategies? Kaysa bumabakbak tayo ng bumabakbak ng ating political adversaries. Bakit di na lang po natin galingan? Total, meron naman po tayong 3 taon pa para ipakita na tayo ay mahusay din sa pamamalakad. Ang akin lang naman po, this administration has been characterized by, treating its political adversaries na pag malakas ang kalaban, i-disqualify, i-expel, i-impeach, or i-threaten na i-impeach. Bakit hindi lang naman po natin galingan? Meron pa naman po tayong 3 taon. Baka sakali, matalo natin si VP Sara sa 2028. Maraming salamat po.
Madam Speaker, there being no other
Madam
member
Speaker.
who wishes to interpolate, I move...
Still my time, Mr. Speaker.
The Honorable Nonoy Libanan may proceed with his privileged speech.
Mr. Speaker, gusto pong magpasalamat sa manifestation, bagamat mahabang manifestation ni Congressman Marcolita. Pero yung sinabi po niya na may defiance ang House, parang narinig ko na may defiance ang House sa Supreme Court ruling. I beg to disagree, Honorable Marcolita, with that statement. Wala pong defiance ang House of Representatives. May motion for reconsideration po tayo. At kung sakali, I don't think ang House ay hindi susunod kung final and executory na ang ruling ng Supreme Court. Pero may oras pa tayo. At ito, ang chamber na ito ay ang precise venue to air our grievances. We represent all the people here, especially we in the minority. Ito yung mga bagay na dapat ilabas po natin dito because this is our constitutional duty. Obligasyon natin proteksyonan ang ating duties and obligations as a House. Obligasyon po natin palakasin ang House of Representatives dahil ito po isa sa matibay na pagbalansin ng power. Kung sobrang tapang ang Supreme Court, sobrang tapang ang Executive at mahina ang House, palagay niyo po ba tatayo ang ating bansa? Kaya lahat po tayo obligasyon patibayin ang kanya-kanyang mga sinumpaang tungkulin. May duties and obligations po tayo at kahit po masakit, kahit mahirap, kailangan natin ipaglaban ang ating konstitusyon. Yan po ang napakahalaga sa lahat. Maraming salamat po, Madam Speaker. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga kasamahan po. And if I may move, Madam Speaker, I would like to erase from the record the statement of the Honorable Marcolita that defiance of the House of Representatives. Hindi po tayo nagde-defy. So move, Madam Speaker.
There is a motion to delete from the records the statement, "The House is in defiance." Do I hear that right, Minority Leader? So any attribution to the statement of the Honorable Marcoleta stating that the House is in defiance of the Supreme Court ruling is hereby deleted. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I am amenable to substitute the word defiance if the body will so allow.